Hello Interstellar everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about how to fill up the OMR sheet which you will get during your term 1 examination in mid-November this year. So what is an OMR sheet? OMR sheet is nothing but the answer sheet that you're going to get for your term 1 examination. As you all know that the term 1 question paper is going to consist only of MCQ type of questions, multiple choice questions. Therefore, you're not supposed to write lengthy answers, and therefore you won't get the regular answer sheet containing many pages. You will just get a single sheet like this called as OMR sheet. So OMR sheet is nothing but the answer sheet that you're going to get for the examination. Now, instructions are provided for how to fill up this particular OMR sheet during the examination, right? And I'm going to make it simple for you. So what are the things required before you enter the test center? You need a blue or a black ballpoint pen, right? A blue or black ballpoint tip pen. You're not supposed to use any other colors. And then you need your center number, which will be given by the school, and CBSE roll number, which will be provided by the CBSE before the examination starts. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to practice writing your CBSE roll number in words before the examination itself. So what happens is, since it's going to be a lengthy number, students, they do mistake while writing the roll number in words over here. And the important instruction provided in this particular thing, filling up the OMR sheet, is that you're not supposed to use the white eraser, that whitener, what we call as a correction fluid. So you are not supposed to use the white correction fluid anywhere on the answer sheet. So therefore you have to be really careful. You're not supposed to make any silly mistakes on this particular sheet. You have to keep it really clean. Now, if you look over here, there is a box over here which says it is important. Even the CBSE says it's very important. This particular box tells you that you have to match the code, the test booklet code, with the answer sheet code provided over here. So you have to look over here, what is the code, and then you have to check your question paper booklet, the test booklet. You have to match it. If there is any mismatch, if there is any kind of discrepancy between the information provided over here and the information provided on your test booklet, then you are supposed to inform the invigilator and get a replacement of both the test booklet as well as the answer sheet. So this is really important. This is the first and the foremost thing that you should do. As soon as you get the question paper and the OMR sheet, you have to match the information provided over here, which says test booklet code and the code mentioned on your answer sheet. They should match. Now, if you know your center number, you are supposed to write it down over here. Now, I told you, you are supposed to either do it with a blue pen or a black pen, that too ballpoint. Okay, so if I say 1, 2, 3, 4 is the center number, so I have written it like this. And then you're supposed to write down the roll number. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Right, so then you have to write this particular roll number in words over here. Now you need practice for that because this is a very lengthy number over here. 1 stands 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 12 lakh, 34,567. 12 lakh, 34,567 you are supposed to write down over here. For this you need practice. Okay. After that, the test booklet number should also be written over here. Okay. After that, now another important thing, when you write down your name, so candidate's name in capital letters as given in admit card. Now the instruction is already given over here how to do it. If your name is Raj Kumar Sharma, right, Raj Kumar Sharma on your admit card, then you are supposed to fill it like this. See over here, R-A-J, all in caps, K-U-M-A-R, all in caps, and Sharma, all in caps. And between each word, there is a space. So since, now I'm going to show you over here, since my name is Chimitsetan, so I will just write it like C-H-I-M-E, put a space over here, and T-S-E-T-A-N, like this, and then I have kept a space over here, Chimitsetan. Okay, so that's how you are supposed to do it. Okay, all in caps, with blue or black pen. Now, important thing, right? Another important thing, the answer sheet, right, while attempting to answer the questions, it looks something like this. You have to just fill in the bubbles. If you have appeared for any kind of competitive examinations, you might be aware about how to do it. If you haven't, then how you should do is, for question number 1, you have to look at question number 1 in the test booklet, and then if you feel like the answer should be A, then you have to fill in the bubble. But you are not supposed to change the answer afterwards. You cannot change the answer afterwards. Why? Because if I think it is the question number 1's answer is A, and if I do it like this, and then later on I read it again and I say it is question number C, question number 1's answer is C, I cannot make correction over here. You're not allowed to do that. Is it clear? So therefore, you're supposed to fill in the bubble only after you are 100% sure that the answer is correct, because you won't get any chance of changing the answer over here, right? And again, you are not supposed to use whitener. You cannot say like I will use a whitener over here and then I'll change the answer to C. You are not supposed to do that. Okay, you won't get marks for that. So here you can clearly see the correct method provided over here. So these are the wrong methods. Why? The first one over here, because option A as well as option C is marked. Even though the option C is marked half, you won't be provided marks for that because this is the wrong method. Again, over here you have filled in 2, A and B. You have crossed the B, you have ticked the A, but still it is the wrong method of doing that. You won't be scored. And again, here you have crossed it and here you have ticked it wrong. So these are the wrong methods. You are not supposed to do. The correct method is you are supposed to fill in only that bubble which is the answer and nothing else. So you have to be 100% sure before filling in any bubble. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, so after that you are supposed to put your signature over here in running hand, and you have to take the signature of the invigilator and you have to submit it. And make sure your answer sheet is neat. Why? Because in the instruction it is given that you are not supposed to do any rough work on the side, and or you are not supposed to put any kind of marking on the sides of the answer sheet. The OMR sheet should be filled in only in the bubbles and only in the space provided over here, right? Not anywhere else. So I hope you are clear regarding how to fill up this OMR sheet. Thank you.